staircase this side, and this side lift, this side 1 2 bhk, and this side 3 bhk, dining drawing come dining room, and this side kitchen, left hand side one bedroom, and this side common washroom, and this side one bedroom with balcony and attached washroom, and this side fully open. ये आपका पार्क का रहेगा इधर. Action area 2C, and this side Owlmore, and here you can see Bishwa Bangla Sharoni, walking distance from this location. North facing 3 bhk individual, and this side another bedroom, brand new 3 bhk individual HIG, available in action area 2C near Owlmore. Only first and second floor available. Please call 8001 575 039. Thank you.